Hi everyone, I am Dr. Saravanakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS DSPI, SNS Institution. So in this session, we are going to discuss about strategic management. So last session we discussed about strategy. Now we are going to discuss about strategic management. So how to manage that strategies. So strategic management is a set of management decisions and actions that determine the long run performance of your corporation. It includes environmental scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation and evaluation, and control to achieve the objectives of an organization. So last session we discussed about two terms, vision and mission. The same thing, it will be applicable in the strategic management also. Vision is a long-term goal, mission is a short-term goal. So in the strategic management, if you're going to framing that management decision for the long run means we are framing the vision. So long run performance of a organization or corporation. The study of strategic management emphasizes the monitoring and evaluating of external opportunities and threats in light of a corporation's strength and weakness. So we are going to analyze the strength and weakness. So as per Fred or David, strategic management is an art and the science of formulating, implementing and evaluating cross-functional decisions that enable an organization to achieve its objectives. So like management is also an art as well as science. So same like that, strategic management is an art and science of formulating, implementing and evaluate the cross-functional decisions. Cross-functional in the sense everyone know, HR, marketing, finance. So, but finally, if you're coming to that objective to achieve that particular goal. So as per Shannon, strategic management is defined as the set of decisions and actions that result in formulating of strategy and its implementation to achieve the objectives of the organization. So framing a decision is very, very important. So you can see the picture, strategic management process. So setting up of strategic intention, vision, mission, and objective. So vision is a long-term goal, mission is a short-term goal, objective is the term. So every organization, there are two objectives: to attract more customers, to achieve more profit. This is the main important two objectives. Then strategy formulation, environmental scanning is nothing but environmental appraisal, organizational appraisal. Then strategy implementation, activation of strategy, designing structure, process and system, behavioral implementation, functional implementation, operationalizing strategy. So these are things related to strategy implementation. Strategy evaluation and control, evaluate, monitor and review. So whether we are going to check it once or twice, we have to evaluate and monitor, and whether it will be right or wrong, you can check it, then only we go ahead. So strategic intention, first vision. In that keyword, that what the firm ultimately like to become. So it's for the long run process. That is the vision. It's a long term goal. That's only vision is a statement that expresses organization ultimate long run objectives. It's what the firm ultimately like to become. Vision once formulated is for forever and long lasting for years to come. So once you frame, it will be long run. You have to prepare. That is a vision. Vision is closely related with strategic intent and is a forward thinking process. Example, Microsoft, a computer software on every desk and in every home. So that is the major aim. This mission, it tells who we are. So in the vision, what the firm ultimately like to become, but mission is a short-term goal, who we are and what we do, as well as what we had like to become. So mission of the business is the fundamental unique purpose that sets it apart from other firms of its kind and identifies the scope of its operations in product and market terms. Example, Microsoft, the same like that, empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. Objectives, these are the end results of planned activity that state what is to be accomplished by when and should be quantified possible, and their achievement should result in the fulfillment of the corporation's mission. Objectives state specifically how the goals shall be achieved. So vision is a long-term goal, mission is a long-term goal, but what strategy, but what is that, what plan it will be helped to achieve the objective. So following are the areas of setting objectives: profit objective, marketing objective, production objective, etc. So these are the things, first step in that strategic intent. The strategy formulation. Strategy formulation refers to the process of choosing the most appropriate course of action. We are having that, it's like that SWOT analysis: strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. First, you can analyze. So the process of choosing the most appropriate course of action for the realization of organizational goals and objectives, organizational vision. For choosing most appropriate course of action, appraisal. Appraisal is nothing but testing. Appraisal of organizational environment is done with the help of SWOT analysis. So environmental appraisal. The environment of any organization is the aggregate of all conditions, events, and influences that surround and affect it. It's dynamic and consists of external and internal environment. External is outside that organization, internal is inside the organization. So the external environment includes all the factors outside the organization, which provide opportunities or threats to the organization. Threats is nothing but difficulties to the organization. The internal environment refers to all the factors within an organization, which includes strengths or cost weaknesses of a strategic nature. So these are the things related to the environmental appraisal. Organizational appraisal is a process of observing an organization's internal environment. So within that organization's internal environment, to identify the strength and weakness that may influence the organization's ability to achieve the goals. So we're going to analyze the strength and weakness of the organization, where you are lagging. So capabilities and weaknesses becomes a prerequisite for successful formulation and reformulation of corporate strategies. This analysis can be done at various levels for functional, divisional, and corporate. So now we discuss that picture strategic management process, the two things, strategic intent and strategic formulation. So next session we are going to discuss the next point. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.